With just a few months left until Apple's autumn event, rumors on everything from its design and camera to its hardware indicate that Apple will be making big improvements to the iPhone 15 series, particularly to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Here is what we presently know about the impending iPhone 15 Pro Max, in light of the numerous contradicting reports that are circulating. Several tipsters have suggested that the iPhone 15 Pro Max may have a curved design, and the same can be seen on the mock-ups of the smartphone that have leaked. In accordance with Shrimp Apple Pro, it may possibly receive curved bezels. Although the side bezels will be much larger, the visible area will remain flat, slimmer and enclosed inside the curve region to create a display that seems more bezel-less, similar to the Apple Watch Ultra's display. The iPhone 15 Pro Max may have the tiniest bezels of any smartphone, measuring only 1.55mm, according to 9to5Mac. The addition of the USB Type-C connector, which will replace Apple's proprietary Lightning port in compliance with EU standards, is one of the largest improvements to the iPhone in recent years. In addition, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is anticipated to have a titanium frame with haptic mid-switch, as seen in renders of the smartphone. A report claims that Apple may limit the charging speeds on third-party chargers and cables, only allowing MFI-certified accessories to benefit from full charging speeds. A new action button similar to the one on the Apple Watch Ultra may be configured by another leak. The brand new A17 Bionic chipset, which may be built on the cutting-edge 3nm process technology, is anticipated to power both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Pro. Only the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will get the 17 Bionic, according to Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. The RAM is also anticipated to increase to 8GB. The iPhone 15 Pro Max's leaked benchmark results demonstrate how much quicker it may be than both the top Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. According to reports, the iPhone 15 Pro Max scored 3019 on Geekbench 6, a single-core test, while the iPhone 14 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra scored 2523 and 2000, respectively. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.